Good morning to all. In today's video, we will see how to convert the given RG into FA, regular grammar to equivalent FA. Okay, let's see this with the help of one example. Consider a regular grammar RG given below as gives 0A or 1B or 0 or 1. A gives 0S or 1B or 1. B gives 0A or 1S. Obtain its equivalent FA, finite automata. Now this can be asked there for 4 to 6 marks. 6 to 8 marks. Okay. Then solution. Given regular grammar is, first note down the complete grammar. G is equal to V T P S, where V is equal to set of non-terminal symbols written in uppercase letters SAB. Then T, terminal symbol 0 1. Then starting symbol is left hand side LHS symbol present to the first production rule, that is S. So here starting symbol is itself S. Okay, now here step 1. Now we have to convert this given RG into the equivalent FA. Okay, so let us consider FA which accepts above grammar as M is equal to, we know that finite automata consists of total 5 tuples. Okay, Q sigma, here sigma in case of this conversion it must be equal to T is equal to 0 1. Okay, then delta Q0, that is nothing but the state associated with starting symbol. Starting symbol is S, so Q0 initial state of the finite automata will be equal to state associated with S. Then F. Now here where delta can be obtained from above set P as below. Now we know that for any grammar VTPS, P is the main part. Similarly, about any finite automata, delta is the main part. Okay, now in this conversion we will pick up all the production rule one by one from the set P and will be converted into delta set. Okay, will be converted into delta, that is nothing but the transition diagram or transition function or transition table. Okay, so here in previous video we have seen how to convert this production rule into the transition diagram. Okay, so apply that same steps here. Okay, so let us consider the given rule. There are the how many non-terminals? 3 non-terminals are there, S, A, B. So draw the 3 states S, A for B. Okay, S, give the state label as the variable names are there, non-terminal के नाम जैसे वैसे label देना है. Then state associated with starting symbol is S. So state associated with starting symbol will become the initial state of the finite automata. Then consider the transitions having such a format. So how to what is the meaning of this one? S gives 0A means S to A there is a transition for 0. So draw that in case of a diagram. So S to A 0 symbol, then S to B 1. So draw accordingly in the diagram S to B. Okay, S to B 1. Then complete the diagram. Okay, skip this right now. Then A to S 0, A to S 0. Then A to B 1, draw it properly. Then B2A 0, then B2S 1, B2S 1, okay. Then after this, okay, now we have to add the transition for such a production rule, okay. Now for such a production rule having only terminal symbol to RHS, we have to add here new state. Now this state will become the final state. Give the suitable label as A, B. Let's give this name to this state as a C, okay. Then draw this transition S to final state 0, S to final state 1, okay. So S to final state 0 and 1, then A to final state 1, A to final state 1. So this is the transition diagram 1, okay, transition diagram, okay. Now this one is of NFA, okay, transition diagram 1 of equivalent NFA, equivalent NFA. Now we have to convert this diagram into the equivalent diagram or the table of the DFA, okay, because here what is the topic? Convert the given RG into equivalent FA. So grammar must be converted into the DFA, deterministic finite automata. So we know already the procedure how to convert the NFA into DFA. In yesterday's lecture also we have seen that one, okay. So NFA to DFA conversion. So we have a diagram, then obtain its table, okay. I will construct the table here, okay. Now the table, by referring the diagram you have to construct the table. You know how to construct this table, okay. Then here state labels are row headings are nothing but the state, column headings will be the input symbols are 0 and 1, states are S, A, B, C. So 4 states are there, so 4 rows will be there. Then by referring the table, complete this table. So there is a transition to state A and C from the state S over the symbol 0. Similarly B, C, then here S, then B, C, then B 0. Next state is given in diagram A, then B1, okay, I will check here, B1, next state is S. So draw that one here S, okay, and from C there is no outgoing transition, okay, from state C there is no outgoing transition, so it will be 5, okay. So this is the transition table 1 of equivalent NFA, okay. Now we have to convert this into the transition table 2, okay. So this is the step 2, then step 3. Now we can convert this TT1 into TT2 as below. So while converting this one we will use the subset construction method, okay. This is the transition table of NFA and this will be the transition table of DFA, okay. So now start. First draw the table structure. 0, 1 input symbols will remain same, sigma states. Now we know how to start this one. So starting state, consider the set and add there only the starting state, okay. Now this subset becomes the starting state of the equivalent DFA. Then here is only the one state in the set, so we will have to just copy the complete row from the previous table. So this is the row of S, so copy it completely as it is, A, C, B, C. Now here we added the new 2 subset. So again this new 2 subset becomes the states of the equivalent DFA, okay. So now here consider first AC subset, later on we will consider BC subset. Okay, so AC means what to write here? We have to consider the previous table, two rows, A's row and C's row, and take the union of that one, and result of union we have to add here. We have to add here for individual input symbol. So AC, look into the previous table, this second row and fourth row, take the union of this one. Okay, skip this middle one. So union will be S, and here union will be BC. Write down that one S, and here BC. Now later on this one BC. Now again here we added the two subset S and BC. So S is already considered here, and BC is now considering that one. Okay, then BC, again consider the both rows, B rows and C rows, take the union of that one, A and S. Union is A, union is S. Okay, now again here just we added the two subsets A and S. Already S is considered, which is the new one? A is the new one. So consider that one. This new subset will become the next state of the equivalent DFA. Obtain the transitions from the previous table. As there is in the subset there is only one member, so we can copy the row of A as it is, S, and another is B, C. Now here we added these two, no more subset. So he added two subset S and BC, so no more subset is there. So this table is completed one. So here the end of the table is there. Now this way we converted the transition table 1 into the transition table 2 by using a subset construction method. Now just obtain the diagram of this one. Okay, you know very well how to obtain the diagram of that one. Okay, so draw whatever number of subset we added here, we obtain here those number of circles, 3, 4. Then S, so instead of curly bracket just write there A, C, then A, and then BC, 4 subset. So which will be the initial state? This one. Which will be the final state? First see the final state of this one. Final state is C. Okay, so whatever subset contains C, so 1, 2, so these both will become the final state of equivalent DFA, both states. Okay, then now mark the transitions in the diagram. S to from this subset to this subset for the 0. So S to AC 0, then S to BC 1, then AC to S 0, then AC to BC 1, then BC to A 0, then BC to S 1, then A to S 0, and then A to BC, that is nothing but the 1. So this is the transition diagram obtained from this transition table 2, and this transition table is constructed from transition table 1. Okay, so this is the equivalent DFA final. Okay, write down the final answer. Thus the equivalent DFA is, okay, equivalent DFA is M is equal to, write down all states, S, A, AC, BC. This is the set Q. Then terminal symbol 0, 1. Delta is a transition state. Okay, then initial state is equal to S, and final states are F is equal to, final states are here AC, and another is BC. Okay, so this way we can convert the given regular grammar into the finite automata. RG has to be converted into transition diagram. Okay, Production rule, convert into the transition diagram. This diagram mostly it is of a NFA. So this is the transition diagram. Obtain its equivalent table. Then from this table convert the transition table to, then transition diagram to, and then final answer. Okay. So this way we can convert the given RG into equivalent FA. Thank you all.